All right. From the Daisy nominations received during the month of December, the winner's Daphne Vick. So congratulations, Daphne. Here are your nominations. February 2016. The nurse I'm nominating has a gift of patience. She was so patient with me during my painful time. She was quiet, gentle, and helped me through this process. She is truly an angel. She will always hold, don't you get me started. She will always hold a special place in my heart. The first few hours following my surgery, the nurse I'm nominating was excellent in her care for me. She made sure I was comfortable, educated me on how to move to assist in my recovery, and was kind and compassionate during her entire shift. She gave helpful advice to my husband for my care when I went home. The thing she did that touched me was her ability to make me feel like I was her only patient, and she was there for my every need. I remember telling her that she is an asset to the nursing profession. March 2016. The nurse I'm nominating was very professional and attentive to my mother's needs. She did a good job for explaining the hospital procedure. She seemed focused on the smallest of details in her job. She was very supportive. April 2016, the nurse I'm nominating has such a gentle heart and spirit. She is awesome and took great care of me. The nurse I'm nominating went above and beyond her duty to make sure my dad was comfortable. She was his nurse on Friday and again on Monday. She was the first to notice his increased swelling and discomfort in my father's legs and arms. He had surgery on his right hip. She spoke with the doctors and got him approved for some medicine and reduced fluid buildup he was experiencing. She was very compassionate when treating him. She was very good, a very good representation of what a nurse should be. The nurse I'm nominating was the nurse for 2 days. Every question we had was acknowledged every time she was in our room quickly when called and attended to our needs each and every time. In fact, she anticipated the needs before we even asked. Also, she was very informative about the exercises that were important to alleviate the pain and reinforced what the doctor had told me. The nurse I'm nominating is absolutely the kindest, most caring person and nurse. My father has dementia and was recently hospitalized. The nurse showed such patience and true kindness to my father. She went above and out of her way to make my dad feel comfortable and also made sure my family's needs were taken care of. She is an angel. I was recently hospitalized when I fell and broke my hip. The nurse I'm nominating was there to comfort me and pray for me before surgery. She was very thorough in caring for me. After my surgery also, she made sure I did everything the right way so that I would not re-injure myself. I could not have had a better nurse. She is one in a million. November 2016. I was concerned about my dad being discharged, and the nurse I'm nominating took the time to sit down with my dad and explain how important it was for him to go back to the nursing facility. She explained to him that this is a temporary and needed to go and had to build up his strength in order to go home. I appreciate her for caring so much about my concerns and my dad's safety. December 2016, the nurse I'm nominating is very prompt, really cared about my needs. She did everything possible to keep my pain under control and made sure I was comfortable as possible. Now, it is my pleasure on behalf of the Daisy Foundation to proclaim to you Daphne Vick, a Daisy Award Extraordinary Nurse. Here is your award certificate, and I'd like to read what it says. The award is presented to Daphne Vick, BSN RN, in deep appreciation of all you do, who you are, and the incredibility, meaningful difference you make in the lives of so many people. And I would like to present you with a daisy pin. Kathy, I'll put that on you. Okay. I want you to have this sculpture as well. Don't sticker cap.
I haven't yet. And they're going to say, what's the first thing?
I'll switch with you, Daphne.
Make sure everybody knows their church.
Daphne, look how beautiful that is.
It is. Okay. And then the banner will hang in the unit this month in your honor. And the ever-popular parking pass I have in my office,
Yes, you do.
okay? The parking pass.
Okay.
Okay? So it's in my office. Before you leave, I want to make sure you get that. You still have time because she's over education.
Okay.
She knows where you're going after this.
They all know
Okay?
what you're gonna be like.
All right. So I just wanted to say thank you and congratulations. You deserve the honor, and we're so honored to have you on this unit. And we've got some great nurses and techs that I'm sure want to give you some hugs.